Okay, so once you're done with the three parts of assignment A, once you have your grid, your floor plan, and your satellite images, the next step is to actually lay out your drawings, and we do that in Paperspace. So we're gonna click on this tab next to model, and that brings us into Paperspace. The first thing we're gonna do is bring in our title block. So we're going to X-reference that in, type Xref, and then there's a DWG, so we just click on this and find our title block. So we don't want to specify on screen, we want it to be exactly at 000, so we'll uncheck that box and say OK. And there's our title block. Next we're going to create a cutout in our sheet so that we can see what's in model space. So just imagine that underneath the sheet of paper is model space. So we're going to create a viewport window with MV, and we're going to cut out a square within the title block that lets us see into model space. So you have your 3 drawings, and you're going to need 3 sheets in model space. So we're going to right click on this tab and select Move or Copy. Then we're going to select Move to End and check the box that says Create a Copy and say OK. And what that does is create an identical sheet to the one you just had. And we're going to do it one more time because we need 3 sheets. So Move or Copy, Move to End, Create a Copy, and OK. So once you have your 3 sheets, you want to name them accordingly. So sheet 2, we're going to rename that to be our floor plan. And sheet 3, we're going to make that our images. And that's that. So after we've created a viewport and we can see our drawings, we're going to double click in the viewport that we created and center the drawing that we want to be on the sheet. So let's go with our floor plan. And right now it's kind of too big for the sheet. So down here we're going to set it to the specific scale that we're working with. We're going to make it an 1/8 and try and center it a bit more on the sheet. Alright, and then what we can actually do is preview what it's going to look like. So up here you have your plotter, so you just click on plot, and you want to make sure that you're working with the right CTB file. So Bala gave you guys a CTB file. You can load that onto whatever machine you're going to be plotting from, and it's just really important to set the plot style table. And the size of the sheet is going to be ArchD, which is 24 by 36, and we're going to preview. This gives you an idea of exactly what your drawing is going to look like when you print it out with the line weights, the hatching, and everything. So if it looks good, you can close the window and cancel that. Next we're going to export the file as a PDF because you're going to be submitting that PDF or uploading that PDF into your Dropbox and also the CAD file into your Dropbox. So we're going to click on the A up here and export PDF, and we're going to call it assignment A, and we're going to save it. So here's your drawing as a PDF with all your layers. So if you look closely, you'll notice that once you've created the PDF, CAD actually attaches this this note on the border that says produced by an Autodesk educational product, and I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that that stamp next.